The question is, how do you feel connected when you're alone? What does it mean to be alone? To have no one around you? Is it because you feel separate? If you look carefully, not just with your eyes and not just with your senses, but if you look with your mind very carefully, you see you're never separate from anything. Even if you're in the most extreme condition in solitary confinement in prison, you're still connected. What's separating you? That's maybe a more interesting question. What do you think is separating you?
My idea of belong or not, perhaps.
So ideas, thoughts,
Impressions,
conditioning.
conditioning.
All of those things, they affect us, right? They're real in that sense that they affect us, but they're not real in the sense that they're just thoughts. These techniques I talked about today, meditation, moving meditation particularly, just staying focused on what you're doing, I find if you incorporate a little bit of that into your days, it starts to make it a lot easier to peel back that kind of conditioning, those kind of thoughts, those kind of limiting thoughts, those self-limiting thoughts. The whole practice is about trying to peel those off and trying to have less grip with your attention on those thoughts, and also to make it so that they have less of a grip on you. So this is a practice of taking off layers. And there's a lot of layers on there. If you do that, it will help free you from some of your own preconceptions. That's what you can do as far as yourself. I mean, you can't always control the external conditions. If you go out into the world with less of those things, your own light shines out brighter, and it starts to attract other people towards you. And they'll see your light, and they'll become attracted to that. And then you won't feel so alone. You'll find the people that are attracted to your light. I tell this to everybody who comes here too, to keep doing those things. It will make it way easier to connect when those opportunities arise. When someone is genuinely trying to connect with you, if you don't have those things blocking yourself, then you can connect so much easier. So that's a philosophical answer. A practical answer is just come join us more often. We've got a bunch of people here, I'm sure, have all felt alone at some time, especially if you're spending a lot of time meditating on your own spiritual journey. We have a lot of artists, creatives. I want this place to be a community for all types of people, really, but especially for people who feel the need and they want a community. So please come join us again. Everybody here is very nice, and you're welcome to be a part of our community anytime.